how to make cornbread. Add 1 cup of cornmeal, 1 cup of flour, 1/4 cup sugar, 1 tablespoon salt, 1 large egg, and 1/4 cup of cooking oil. Step 1. Turn the oven to 375 degrees. Step 2. Get a pan and a big bowl. Step 3. Grease the pan with butter. Step 4. Grab all the ingredients. Step 5. Put 1 egg in the bowl. Step 6. Put 2/3 cup of milk in the bowl. Step 7. Add 1/3 cup of vegetable oil. Step 8. Put the mixture into the bowl. Step 9. Mix everything together. Step 10. Put the mixture into the pan. Step 11. Put the pan in the oven. Step 12. Let it bake for 25 minutes. Step 13. Take the pan out of the oven. Step 14. Enjoy your cornbread.